Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Pensacola is a city on the Gulf Coast of Florida, known for its white sandy beaches, warm waters, and rich history. It is one of the oldest settlements in the United States, dating back to 1559 when Spanish explorer Tristan de Luna established a colony here. This makes it the first European settlement in what is now the U.S., though it did not last long due to hurricanes and other hardships. The city sits in the Florida Panhandle, near the border with Alabama. It has a deep connection to the military, with Naval Air Station Pensacola being a major base in the area. This base is home to the Blue Angels, the U.S. Navy's flight demonstration team, which performs airshows across the country. Downtown Pensacola has a charming historic district with old buildings, shops, and restaurants. The city also has a strong connection to the sea, with a busy port and a fishing industry that has been important for generations. With its deep history, military presence, and beautiful coastline, Pensacola is a special place in Florida's Panhandle.
watching!